Hey guys, welcome back. Quick recap on our wheel account. We're doing strictly wheel plays, selling cash secured puts, and then if we get exercise, selling covered calls. It's pretty flat today, down a little bit, just mostly because these shares are down 40 bucks today. So we're only down 22 though. Rocket kind of came back down from that pump yesterday. We've got this put on Rocket that we rolled over for the 20 strike, collected $27 premium. Expires on the 27th. I feel like Rocket's got a pretty strong support, but if it doesn't, we might roll that again. And then we also have 100 shares, so we have this covered call on it for 21.5. I don't know if this will get exercised or not, but we're almost a max gain on this thing. So I set a buy to close on this one contract, 0.01 cents. So yeah, I'll close that out automatically. Good till canceled. Today, let's see, we got awesome. We got closed out on Gamestop, I think. No, Gap. What happened today? Robinhood's so ridiculous. Nikola, Rite Aid, Fisker, Gap, GameStop. So I think what closed was, no, not Rite Aid. Had a couple like cancel in there. Maybe it was Nikola? Or to buy to close? No. Under Armour? No. I don't know. I don't know. Something, we had buying power, a lot more buying power today because one of these closed out, expired. Basically, I bought it back for the minimum. I opened up some more stuff. I think it was a GameStop actually, because I opened up another GameStop. So this is a 13 strike and expires on Friday. GameStop. Let's see, why did I pick this? Had a lot of momentum today and it kept going. So 13's kind of high, but got till Friday. Wasn't much. This was actually my last play. I was like, all right, $4, just put it out there. Fisker is a little bit more, $15. This is, I don't really believe in this long term, but it's had a lot of strength today, and most of the EV stocks kind of plummeted. So this was on news. What was it? Yes, Citigroup initiates coverage on Fisker. Buy rating announces price target of 26. That gave it a bunch of steam today. We'll just put somewhere around here. Basically, I think there's an overreaction. It'll probably come down some, but I don't think it'll come back down to the $16 strike by Friday. If it does, we'll get exercised, or we'll roll it, or we'll do something. But that was another one I opened up. That's just 2 days away and $15 of credit, so it's not bad. I don't have a buy to close on there yet because I just opened it today. Let's see, put on Jeep. This new? We open that. This is maybe new also. Yep, another small little play. There wasn't a whole lot of stuff I liked, so that's why you're seeing these credits. They're smaller. This was kind of the opposite mentality. Like, it's not going up. This is selling into the premium. And Gap being more of a stable long term, I'd say, I was fine to do that, even though it's probably going to keep coming down a little bit. Yeah, we sold about here, and this looks like a bear flag, so it's possible it'll keep coming down. This was on bad earnings, so it's so oversold on the RSI. Where's our strike? Our strike's 20.5. It's here. That's not a bad spot to hold it. This probably has support here at 21, 26. Might bounce a little bit just because of have an overreaction. Every reaction is an overreaction, and then it might keep coming down, kind of a continuation. But I don't know. It's kind of hard to know with earnings sometimes. But I sold another one on there, and it's totally flat. So see what happens with that one on Friday. With the lack of trading days this week, I'm not quite sure how that'll mess with things. But tomorrow is no trading. Tomorrow markets are closed, and then Friday's a half day. So really, I'll have to make my decisions on Friday to roll or what to do with these if we need to. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the wheel account. We're on the week, we're up 2.7%, mostly because we were down so much before that. But if you look, when we dropped at 60% from BCLI, we are still right in that range. They kind of came down a little bit, but we're still up. You know, we opened it right here and started doing the wheel pretty much pretty much here less than a month ago. So 1.39% with that big drop. That ain't bad. I'm totally fine with that. Once you have the shares, I can see why you'd want to roll over puts, because owning the shares really does throw stuff around. Especially if it's going down. It's like, yeah, it's down 2.8%. And if you have, you know, it's just $2,100 in equity, and it's gonna pull the account down. This one's only $750 in equity, so you know, if it comes down 4%, it's not crazy. This one did have a big run up though from that big drop it had. It's up 25% here. I thought about selling a covered call, but it's really not worth it still at this point, because it's not till out in December. And look, the premium on it's exactly the same. So this covered call I could have sold 2 days ago, got $18 premium, and 2 days later I can still get $18 premium, even though it's gone down. This share price has gone down. So the longer I wait and this doesn't change, the better it is, basically, because it gives me more time to allow more upside in case this stock rips up on any kind of good news. So I'm fine to keep kind of waiting on this. Hopefully Brainstorm will settle or go up or shoot up, and then we can sell this one and it'll be $390. Aha! We'll make money on this BCLI. We're gonna make all the money back and then some. We will come out profitable on it, no questions. What plays you guys doing for the wheel? What stocks are you trading with? You pick long-term stuff like Gap and Gamestop, Rocket, or do you do more sketchy EV stuff like we're doing with Fisker and Nikola? Oh, I closed out of Nikola. That's where we got some buying power today. That's right, I forgot. So remember yesterday I said Nikola, it cost $5 to buy back, so I hadn't done it yet. I was gonna let it expire. And then today, yeah, it plummeted yesterday, which I was kind of expecting, but yeah. So anyways, our strike I think was like way down here on it, like 21 or 20, which it probably wouldn't have gotten to, but we were already max profit on it. So I would have had to wait till Friday expiration, and it would have been $5 more. I was like, I'll spend the 5 and just get out of the play, get the collateral back. And now we got that collateral working for us on another position. So that's why I got out of Nikola. It was like $20, I think, after the $5 we spent to buy it back. It's like, I think it was like $25 credit initially. And then we got into another sketchy EV, so Fisker to me is, it's sketchy also. They've been around for a while. They were like FSR. They've like gone bankrupt multiple times, and they've failed as a car company for multiple times. They've never been public. So they're like, EVs, yeah, we can do it. Yeah, let's do it. I think they're doing, actually they might not even be doing EVs now. Yeah, electric. Yep, electric vehicles. Okay, actually their old one, I'm trying to remember. I actually saw one in a dealership one time. That was at least like 10 years ago. No, maybe 5 years ago. That was in like a Cadillac dealership. It was maybe, it's like maybe actually always been electric. Yeah, it's maybe always been electric. It never really worked out though. It kind of went, like I said, I think it kind of went bankrupt and kind of a sketchy history. But right now there's an EV bubble going on, and this one's still running up. Like this is just from this though. So I'll probably do a call credit spread on this on long-term account. If you haven't watched that video, our long-term's hitting all-time highs again. Things going crazy. Whew. We're gonna upload both of these, and have a good Thanksgiving, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to sub up, like up, comment down, make your money happy money, so stick around. And be safe out there. Have fun. Don't eat too much. Peace out.